I replaced 6 chargers overnight. UGREEN Nexode 500W gallium nitride charging station review. Picture this. Sunday night, bags half-packed, MacBook at 9%, iPad dead, gaming laptop flashing red, and only one free outlet in the entire hotel room. You're standing there like a deer in headlights, praying nothing explodes. Type chaos in the comments if that's you right now. Tell me, how much longer are you going to let cables run your life?
That suffocating knot in your stomach every time you hunt for another brick, another strip, another adapter? Yeah, I've felt it too. The quiet panic when your $4,000 laptop crawls at 30 watts because everything else is hogging power. But here's the secret nobody says out loud. There's a single device that ends the madness forever. Lean in, because what I'm about to show you actually works.
Then I plugged in the UGREEN Nexode 500W GaN Charging Station and everything changed. One port hits your 16-inch MacBook Pro or 240-watt gaming beast with full lightning surge, while the other 5 ports still hammer your iPad, iPhone, Steam Deck, and accessories at max speed, like a power dictator that actually plays fair. The GaN III wizardry keeps it ice cold, even when you're pushing 480 watts sustained. No more sweaty palms wondering if it's about to cook your desk. Dynamic brain inside instantly detects what you plug in and hands out power like a genius butler. Your laptop gets priority, your AirPods don't get starved. Space? It stands tall, swallows cable spaghetti, and makes your setup look like it belongs in a magazine. Last month, I almost missed a flight because every device was dead. Threw everything on the Nexode in the lounge, walked on the plane with 100% across the board. You'll feel the chill when 6 devices hit full speed at once, and the charger doesn't even break a sweat. Stick around to the end. There's one hidden trick with this thing that makes people lose their minds.
Here's what happens the moment you switch. Hours saved, brain uncluttered. You actually finish renders and edits on time. Clients start asking what sorcery you're using. A hardware lab editor whispered, "We ran it at full 500 watts for 4 hours straight. Surface temp never broke 62 degrees Celsius. This is the new reference standard." A million sub tech creator said he quietly threw out 6 power bricks the same week. Market analysts are calling it the desktop PSU replacement category killer. UGREEN just invented it, and everyone else is scrambling. A verified buyer wrote, "Family of 4, 2 remote workers, 2 teens. No more Sunday night charger wars. Everything 100% by morning." And me? I watched my ROG Strix Scar 18 pull a legit 240 watts while gaming with 4 other devices plugged in. No throttling, no heat warnings, nothing. Still think you need 10 different chargers just in case? That's cute. Wait till you hear why thousands are obsessed with the one-port combo nobody talks about. It's low-key unfair. Drop your craziest multi-device setup in the comments right now. I read every single one, and the wildest one gets a shout-out in the next video.
Here's the truth. The ones who already own the UGREEN Nexode 500W GaN Charging Station aren't going back. Ever. One outlet, 0 compromise, total power dominion over every device you own. That's the cheat code. Join the ones who already know. Come see why we're low-key obsessed and never worry about battery life again. First link in the description, I pinned it right to the top so you don't have to scroll like a peasant. Go grab it before your next dead battery meltdown. I'll see you on the other side.